Now let's make an Easter egg with a sweet, gooey surprise. Coat 2 halves of your mold with semi-sweet chocolate and set aside to dry. Once dry, pop your eggs out and trim up the edges. Next, use your favorite springtime color to drizzle on just one side of your egg. Now drip some warm caramel into your eggs, gently turning them to coat evenly. Do not let your caramel get too hot though, as it will melt the chocolate underneath and it may be too chewy once it's cooled. Repeat this same process with another layer of your melted chocolate. Make this layer decently thick so we cover every bit of caramel. Once your chocolate has solidified, stick the 2 halves together and, before eating, break your egg open to see your secret caramel layer inside. Begin this Easter egg with a simple outline of any shape you'd like. I chose a unicorn. Tape the shape inside the mold and trace it directly onto the outside of the mold with a dry erase marker. Now flip it over and trace it once more, this time using chocolate, and shake to ensure there will be no bubbles. Now mix 2 or more colors of white chocolate together until fully marbled. Pour a decent amount right into your egg and then turn the egg until it's fully covered in chocolate. Once dry, pop it out of your mold to see your artwork. Stick it together with the other side to complete your egg and get ready to show off this magical treat. Cover a strip of bubble wrap with a thick layer of dyed yellow chocolate and before it dries, push it into an Easter egg mold. Pour another thick layer of milk chocolate on top of that and also into the other half of the egg mold, brushing it up the sides. Pop both halves out of the mold carefully by pressing only in the center, then slowly remove the bubble wrap. Next, shave off any raw edges and coat the rim of one egg with more milk chocolate to glue the 2 halves together. From here, decorate however you like, and you've made the most unbelievable Easter egg. First, thoroughly wash some inflatable balloons with soap and then blow them up until they are perfectly egg-shaped. Drizzle some chocolate on each side until almost no color is peeking through. Hang your balloon on a line for at least 10 minutes to dry. Then, once the chocolate is solid to the touch, cut a small hole in the top of the balloon with some scissors. If it does not deflate on its own, you can use your finger to wrestle the balloon off of the chocolate casing and pull it out. Now all you have to do is add some teeny tiny treats inside and enjoy this all edible addition to your Easter basket.